Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange, a leading crypto trading platform. What an impressive rally. Nifty rallied for 6 straight days and more than 600-point rally in 6 trading sessions. Last Thursday, Nifty hit a low of 19,223 and today it is 823. So 600 point in 6 days. What is the best thing out of this is that last 8 trading sessions, Europe markets were falling. Last 4 trading sessions, Nasdaq 100 was falling. And today, 5th day, Nasdaq futures are lower. Of course, after 7 o'clock, we will know where it opens. So it is a complete divergence. Global markets are falling and we keep moving higher. You may remember yesterday I said technically Nifty has become long and today Nifty short up. And today at the end of the day, even the Bank Nifty has become long. And our markets are so bullish and there must be some reason for this. I was just wondering why our market keep on moving higher for the last few trading sessions despite so many negative things. Now we know the answer. And it seems that some insiders seems to know what was happening. Today, Reserve Bank of India reversed the earlier decision for incremental CRR. Now, whatever the incremental CRR was announced, and now it will be reversed in a phased manner. And it seems that some people knew about it. So that's why, despite global cues are bad, despite currency falling, despite crude oil prices are so high, despite FIIs keep selling, and our market kept on moving higher and higher, we are just less than 1% from all-time high now. Our markets was very firm since morning and afternoon Europe opened positive, but again Europe markets came under selling pressure. All the Europe markets started falling, but that is when the RBI news came and Bank Nifty shot up another 300 point and only to fall 300 points. Probably this is clearly a buy on rumor and sell on news, or maybe buy on insider information. Once the news is out, you sell it. So that selling pressure brought the Bank Nifty down 300 point, but Nifty did not fall much from the intraday high. Then once the RBI news came, by short covering, Bank Nifty shot up. Then Bank Nifty came under selling pressure. By that time, another news came from Reliance Industries. So as per CNBC, Reliance Industry is tying up with the NVIDIA for artificial intelligent chips. I do not know what Reliance has got to do with the chip industry. Many times media say something, so that the short covering happens. So you may remember, same way, earlier people said Warren Buffett is investing in Kotak Bank, but nothing has happened. We cannot outrightly reject the news also, but I'm wondering what NVIDIA has got to do with Reliance Industries. NVIDIA is a chip making company. If at all they're making any collaboration with the Indian company, that company should also be a chip making company. Who knows? Reliance Industries may venture into chip making. Then, again Nifty shot up. Today, the rally, 6th day of a rally, an impressive rally against the backdrop of a global sell-off. The global sell-off was so severe. Europe markets are down for 8th straight day, which has not happened in the last 10 years, I think. So last time, only in 2018, 7 straight days, Europe markets went down, but now it is 8 trading sessions continuously. So the global markets are very jittery. The next week, I think there is a Fed policy also. So that will next week or the following week? I think the following week. So that will also add volatility. I think the next week, the consumer price inflation data will be there in US. All in all, usually September is not a good month for global markets, but our market, I'll tell you, nobody would have expected on last Thursday when Nifty hit a swing low. And now we are within striking distance from hitting the all-time high. So markets are really looking very bullish. Now there are two things. When globally markets are selling off, how can we continue to move like this? That's one question. The same question you can ask another way. When globally markets are selling off, if we are rallying like this, what will happen when the global markets turn around? So we will have more steam left. So I do not know, as per a technical which I'm following, both Nifty and Bank Nifty are long, and we don't know what is going to happen next week. So we have to wait for the global cues, and the FII DI data is still not out. I don't know, for the last few days, that data is coming very, very late. So I'm just flying to Hyderabad for workshop. So that's why the environment is not very, very peaceful. So there may be some background noises. So apologies for that. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio podcast. Thank you for listening.